Control Techniques is a pioneer and leader in variable frequency drive technology. We have a global team of engineers that brings the latest drive technology to industrial automation, process, and motion applications out there, from fans and pumps to extruders, elevators, hoists, cranes, and even test stands. Our flagship drive, which is Unidrive M, gives the flexibility for controlling any AC motor type, whether it's a permanent magnet motor, a servo motor, or an AC induction control. We also have an extremely well-built drive that's environmentally robust with conformal coating standard on the drive. It's got a wide horsepower band from 5 horsepower up to 4,200 horsepower. This also eliminates the need for a PLC or easily integrates with any PLC on the market, as well as talks virtually any industrial protocol out there. When we create these drives, we have the complete user experience being brought to the forefront. Who is using this? How are they using it? What time of day are they using it? That's all being brought into the actual ergonomics, the software, the robustness, the design of that drive. Our focus of late has been bringing ease of use to the user. From engineers to maintenance crew, anyone can be able to use this drive simply from our software or directly from the keypad. It's getting them to commission, troubleshoot, and start that drive up as quick as possible. CT drives offer the best motor control performance and efficiency on the market. So when you take this and put it into small applications or big applications, it's going to stand the test of time.